More than 4,000 children were waiting to access mental health services at the end of last month, with more than 500 children on the waiting list for over a year, new figures show. The waiting list is the longest in the HSE South West, which covers Cork and Kerry, where 987 children were waiting to be seen by the Child and Adolescent Mental Health Services at the end of September. Just over 300 children in that region have been waiting longer than a year, with 128 on the waiting list for more than 18 months. In HSE Dublin and North East, there were 967 children on the waiting list at the end of last month. It is the only other region where some children have been waiting longer than 18 months, with 93 still waiting to be seen by CAMHS at the end of September. It covers Cavan, Monaghan, Louth, Meath, West Dublin and North City and County Dublin. There are more than 600 children on the waiting list in HSE Dublin and Midlands, HSE Dublin and South East, and HSE West and North West respectively. The shortest waiting list is in the Midwest region, which covers Limerick, Clare and Tipperary North, where 145 children were waiting to be seen at the end of September. CAMHS provides assessment and treatment for young people up to the age of 18 who are experiencing mental health difficulties such as depression, anxiety or dealing with an eating disorder. A spokesperson for the health service said urgent referrals are responded to by CAMHS as soon as possible based on clinical risk, which can impact the length of the waiting lists. According to the latest available figures, the majority of children nationally were waiting less than 3 months, and 3 in 4 have been on the waiting list for less than 9 months. More than 500 children have been on the waiting list for longer than a year, predominantly children waiting to access the mental health services in the Dublin and North East region and the South West. A HSE spokesperson said the health service is working hard to minimise waiting lists, while CAMHS staff are working to meet the demand and see as many children and adolescents as soon as possible. They said urgent referrals are responded to as soon as possible based on clinical risk, but unfortunately this can impact waiting times for those on the waiting list. We are seeking to improve services and have several initiatives to address waiting times. A new 3-year action plan was published in February, which works towards redesigning and delivering services that are safe, easy to access and appropriate, they said. The improvement of consistency and safety in care delivery is among the main aims set out in that plan, with the HSE spokesperson adding that the service wants to ensure all children and families have equitable and timely access to high quality mental health services, and the HSE regrets any child or young person having to wait for care.